It's been another really successful day. We've had some great people in here, great car enthusiasts, learning all about welding. So they've had a go at my old rusty Rover, and they've made all sorts of repair patches and learnt the whole process of MIG welding from scratch, because none of them had ever done it before, which is really great to see. I love sharing skills like this. And one of the things we do that's a bit different when we're running training courses is we'll only run a maximum of about 6 people. That way we give people individual attention, and that I think is really important. It's really what we want to do is share the skills to get everybody up to a point where they feel confident they've learned something. Now, these welding classes we've been doing are just one day, so it's only just getting you started. But in that one day, you'll go from knowing nothing about welding, having never done it before, up to the point where you're actually welding a patch on the sill of my old Rover, which is pretty amazing going. From there, you can take it further. We can do more courses. You can get up to a higher level, but it will certainly get you to a functional level. You'll learn a bit of body repair and you'll also fix a piece of exhaust system as well. So we cover all sorts of different types of metal. We'll look at how you tackle rusty bits, all the preparation techniques, how to use angle grinders properly and safely. And we can even provide all the PPE for you if you need it. So it's a great course. If you've ever wanted to do welding on your own classic car, then why not come and join our course? It'd be great to see you here soon.